Have you ever experienced this while getting your old TV or your home theater installed? The installer or installation company didn't show up on time and kept you waiting all day, or showed up late and wasted your whole day. When they did the installation, they messed up your whole drywall with lots of holes. The TV was crooked and all the wires are hanging outside. They made a mess when they did the installation and did not clean it. Their price was high, and there were a lot of hidden charges you did not know. They had no clue about the smart features and how to connect audio components. Or when you tried calling the old installation company to come back, no one picks up the phone, or you cannot get a hold of them. They give you the runaround. Stop going through all these headaches and frustrations when you have to get your TV or home theater system installed. Next time, call Audio Video King for stress-free, reliable, and professional installation.
Our technicians will visit your place within 24 to 48 hours, unpack your TV, and install it on the wall neatly and hide all the ugly wires.
We will clean up any mess we make and teach you how to use the smart features on your TV. We have been in business since 2009 and still going strong, with over 2,000 happy customers in Los Angeles and Orange County. We are trusted TV installers. Call us today and we will give you same-day or next-day appointment and be there for you when you have to call us in the future for all your audio-video needs. You have tried the rest, now try the best.